Hello everyone, my name is Joe and today I'm going to show you how to do a mask transition. We'll be doing this tutorial in Adobe After Effects. First thing you have to do is create a file in Adobe After Effects and put the pre-selected mask inside of the project. After that, you can just drag the file inside of the timeline. And then you have to separate the file by clicking Ctrl-Shift-D. Then you have to put the scene that we are going to mask. You need to put it on top of the other scene. After that, all you have to do is put the second scene underneath the first scene on the same length of the mask that we are going to do. And then again, we separate the first scene where the mask starts by clicking Ctrl-Shift-D. Select the mask scene and then click on the pen tool by pressing G, or you can find it on the toolbar on the top of your screen. And now by using the pen tool, we carefully draw a mask around the object or a person that we want to cut out. This process requires a lot of time and effort, but with a lot of practice, you are bound to get faster. And at first it took me an hour to draw a mask, but with time I just grew to go faster and faster, and now it only takes me few minutes. So just do it. Try to draw as precisely as you possibly can, because if you don't, it's going to look very silly. So please be careful and try to mimic what I did here. And in no time, your videos are going to look a lot better. So while you're watching this, don't forget to smash that like button and tell me what do you think I should do next. After you finish drawing the mask, you need to close the whole mask on the first point we started at. And if you think this was it, you are surely mistaken, sir. Because we have to do this for all the other frames till we finish the whole scene. So instead of being annoyed by it, try to relax and enjoy some music and just finish the mask. After you finish drawing the mask, there is only few final touches that you have to do. You need to feather the mask and you need to do a mask expansion. And in this case, it's more like opposite. Try to find something that looks good for you, tweak around with it, play with it, so you can find perfect looks for your future mask. And once you finish all of that, you should get something that looks similar to this. Hope you liked my first AMV tutorial, because this scene was just one of the scenes that will appear in my next AMV coming tomorrow.